Welcome to this stunning 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home nestled in a serene landscape, boasting a spacious 3,966 square footage under roof. The exterior is adorned with elegant brickwork and inviting green accents, offering a warm welcome to all who enter. The large dining room is ready to host your memorable family gatherings with ample space and an ambience of comfort and style. Inside, you'll be greeted by an expansive open living room that seamlessly flows into a state-of-the-art kitchen, creating the perfect space for both relaxation and entertainment. Your vehicles will be well accommodated in the spacious 3-car garage. Each of the 4 bedrooms has been meticulously designed to offer optimal comfort and space, ensuring each member of the family has their own personal retreat. Imagine hosting vibrant summer parties or cozy winter evenings in this versatile outdoor space. If you are ready to start designing your dream home, get in contact with CP Drafting and Design today.